In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a currency converter to your Shopify store. Adding a currency converter can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience, especially if you're catering to an international audience. Imagine your customers being able to view prices in their local currency. This small feature could make a big difference in the confidence and ease with which they shop on your site. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to head over to the Apps section of your Shopify admin dashboard. It's like the control center of your store, where you can find a plethora of apps to enhance the functionality of your online business. For our demonstration today, we're going to use an app called Transy. This app is well regarded for its ease of use and functionality when it comes to converting currencies and translating your store for international customers. Go ahead and search for Transy in the Shopify App Store. Once you find it, click on the app to begin the installation process. You'll see an option to install the app. Click that, then confirm the installation by clicking Install again when prompted. This might feel a bit repetitive, but it's just a simple security measure to make sure you're aware of any new changes you're making to your store. After the installation is complete, the next critical step is setting up your account. When you open Transy for the first time, it'll guide you through creating an account, if you don't have one already. Make sure to follow the on-screen prompts and provide the necessary information to set up your account effectively. This is where you tell the app all about your needs and how you envision using currency conversion in your store. Once your account is ready, the next thing you'll see is the choice to select a plan that best suits your business needs. Transy offers different plans, often ranging from free versions with basic features to more advanced options that come with a monthly fee. Consider the features each plan offers. If you're beginning and testing the waters, a basic plan might be sufficient. However, if you expect high international traffic, you might want to invest in a comprehensive solution. Choosing the right plan at this stage is crucial as it sets the foundation for how you will use the app to support your store's growth. The plan you select can determine access to more advanced features or greater customization, which can be essential for more complex or high-traffic demands. By the end of this setup, you should have successfully added a currency converter to your store. This seamless integration not only has the ability to make your prices more transparent, but it can also potentially increase your conversion rates by building trust with your customers. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide was helpful. Happy selling!